Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I am just installing my X-Sense. This is a smoke alarm that ties into your Wi-Fi and is going to give you notifications on your phone. That's incredible. You could be on vacation and find out, oh, my smoke alarm's going off. Wouldn't you want to know immediately and not 2 weeks later? So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So what's the advantages of this device over some of the competition? Well, first off, I absolutely love how loud it is, 85 decibels. This thing is a high pitch, you're not gonna miss it. But if you happen to miss it because you're not home, the fact that it'll notify your phone, notify the app, is incredible. That's a huge safety advantage. You wanna know if there's a fire at the house and the kids are home, if they lit the toaster on fire or burning food, whatever it is, you want to know about it. So there's an extra sense of safety there. It ties into the app, the X-Sense app, that will do your security monitor, do your carbon monoxide monitoring, everything. So you can keep one app and keep a track of your entire house at a touch of a button. That's incredible. The long-lasting battery, this thing not having to change it out all the time, is a big deal. And the fact that it works on your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi means that you can put it in a large area of your house. You can put one of these in every room and make sure that the world is safe. Also easy to mount, comes with the screws and the anchors that you need. Just put this plate anywhere and suddenly you've got a device that is mounted to the ceiling. There's no external wiring, just a couple of screws and you've got safety and security at the palm of your hands. And like I said, this works with Apple, it works with Android, and the app is no bucks. You can download it for free. So anyway, folks, if you're looking for a great product, go ahead and pick this up. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Great notifications. You can set it which notification you want. It even tells you when the battery's getting low. That's wildly convenient. All right. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is yes. And let's go ahead and check out the up-close portion of the video where we show you everything that comes with it. All right, stick around. All right, folks, it's time to check out the up-close portion of the video. Wi-Fi smoke alarm, XS03WX. The apps are available in the App Store and Google Play. Let's see if there's anything else important on the box itself. Gives you how to test it, and just pretty straightforward. Now, the device is surprisingly petite. It's a small little device, but does a great job. So the battery goes right here. Pull to get the battery out. And yeah, you just tie it into your smart device. So your iPhone or whatever. It also comes with all your screws and things for mounting, as you're probably going to want to mount it. All right, so what else can I show you here? So what's in the box, the unit, the anchors, the plugs, the screws, etc., etc. It does appear that the instruction manual, which they have a paper instruction manual, not everything does anymore, has clear and concise English, well-written English. So that is a positive. Not everything has that. But yeah, if you want a great smoke alarm that will tie into your Wi-Fi, that will make you feel more secure, know that your stuff is still good to go. It's a trusted home safety innovator. That's X-Sense. X-Sense, you've seen my videos about them. We've done all sorts of carbon monoxide monitors and things of the sort, and they always make great products. They're safe, secure, and you can't go wrong. So yeah, it's 5-year worry-free. This thing is the Wi-Fi smoke alarm XS. You're gonna dig it, folks. Go ahead and pick yours up. The question is, should I get one? The answer is yes, you should. They're fantastic. All right, thanks again for watching, and, well, of course, pick it up. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for going down that lonely road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. Pick it up, you won't be disappointed. Let me show this one more time up close. There's the testing. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.